Welcome to GetAssist, and in today's video I'll tell you how you can add two-step verification on your Gmail. So two-step verification is very important because it secures your account. If someone try to access your account, it will notify you and it will ask few verification codes that will be linked to your phone or your email address. So how to do it? Let's see the process and let's see how you can do two-step verification on Gmail. So for this, first of all, open your Gmail account, click on your profile, then go to manage your account. Now click on security, then scroll down and click on two-step verification. Now you need to enter your password. So enter your password, and lastly, you can see here, so Gmail is asking your phone number, so you can add your phone number as well as you can add your email address. So let me add my phone number. Now it will send you an OTP that you have to enter in this page. Now you can see after entering my OTP, the two-step verification has been done. So if you want to turn off, you can see the option of turn off here, and after clicking on that, you can turn off the two-step verification. So this was the whole process, and because of this, you can do two-step verification. Nowadays, phishing and hacking are very common, and due to that, this two-step verification is very important. So if you haven't done it yet, you have to do it today only and follow these steps, whatever I have just showed you in the video. Follow that steps and do your two-step verification today. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.